Here we've got HUAWEI GX8, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick accessibility, it's right here, and the first tab here under services is Talkback. Just click on it, tap on continue to activate this feature, and all you have to do is to tap on this switcher and you have your Talkback active. So as you can see, it will observe your actions and provide you with all the marked tab. So here you've got also the tutorial. All you have to do is to click once on some application or on some tab and then tap twice to open it. So click on next. I will volume up it a bit so you can properly hear it. Okay, let me finish the tutorial. Let me volume it up.
Control 46%. Back button.
And as you can see now, you can click on some button and then you will be provided with the name. Then, and to access captions, just tap twice to open them. Then to go back you have to mark it once and then tap twice to select it. To switch off Talkback you have to open the settings, so tap once of settings and then hit it twice, then open accessibility, pick Talkback, and finally click on this switcher and tap twice to switch it off. Then confirm it by tapping on OK. And that's it. So that will be all. This is how you can activate Talkback in your device, so you'll be provided with spoken feedback to help build and low vision users. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate, deactivate and also use Talkback in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.